Hello all, my name is René Balle. I'm from the company KK Group. KK Group is a 40-year-old company based out of Denmark in Europe. Today we are inaugurating our new facility here in Bangalore in Karnataka, and which basically is a big factory, and it's also a big city center office what we're opening today. So to give you a little bit of, let's say, flavor of the company, but also a little bit of idea of what we are actually opening today. First of all, KK is founded in 1981, so more than 40 years old company. We have been very much associated with the wind power industry for many years, a global leader within what we call power solutions and controls. Along the way, we have been delivering power solutions to more than 100,000 turbines in the world. And basically, we have been growing a lot, as the same has the global wind power industry. And today, KK Wind Solution is a €1 billion company. We have around 3,700 colleagues around the world. We are based in 10 countries, have the headquarters still in Denmark. And now we are opening today the second largest factory globally here in Bangalore in India. This factory, what we are opening here today, is not only, I would say, a manufacturing setup, it's also an engineering technology development hub, what we will have for our global business. So it's not only for the Indian market. We expect the Indian wind power industry to grow with at least a doubling in the next 5 years to around 100 gigawatts by 2030. And from KK side, opening this big facility today, this factory, is also reinforcing our commitment to be a part of realizing that big ambition. I would say India was always what I would consider a global leader in the wind power industry, both from the manufacturing and the technology part with companies like Suzlon, but also was always very ambitious on the political agenda on clean renewable energy. And therefore also India has set up targets for doubling the wind power capacity in the next 5 years. So in my view, that's extremely positive, it's extremely ambitious, and it's definitely something what we would like to support. And today we are giving, I would say, our unconditional commitment that we'll make this ambition together. This factory, what we are standing here today, this is a 24,000 square meters factory. It has the capacity to deliver what we call clean power solutions to more than 6 million homes every year. 6 million homes every year. And that's basically will be enough to support the Indian ambition level, but it will also be a very important, let's call it a technology and manufacturing hub for KK globally, supporting also export business for other markets. Perhaps an ending statement is that the Indian renewable sector today, wind power sector, is basically the same size as the US market. So for KK, this is equally important, and we see a lot of opportunities for joint partnerships, for developing business together, and for supporting also the Indian market with clean power solutions.